आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The graph of a quadratic expression is shown, which is ax square plus bx plus c. Which of the following is correct? So this is the equation of the graph which is shown. The graph of the graph which is shown in the equation above. See that it is a graph which is opening upwards. And it has both roots which are positive because it intersects the x-axis at positive points on the right side of the origin. So both the roots are positive. You could write positive out here. Both the roots are positive. And it is a graph which is opening upwards. So the leading coefficient which is a, will be positive. Now know that when we have a quadratic equation which is given by ax square plus bx plus c, the product of roots, I will just note it by prod out here, the product of roots is equal to c upon a. Now as both of the roots are positive, as you can see, so the product of these two roots will also be positive. So now we know that a is positive and c upon a is also positive. So as a is positive and c upon a is positive, so c will also be positive. So we get one condition that AC is positive. Now we have to see only about B. Now B, as you know, in such a case, ax square plus bx plus c, minus of b plus a, minus of b upon a is the sum of roots. Minus of b upon a, sum of roots, and that both the roots are positive, so the sum of roots will also be positive. Now we know that a is also positive, but this and minus of b plus a should be positive, so b should be negative because minus negative into negative minus of minus becomes positive. So b we get is positive, b we get is negative. So obviously AC is positive, AB is negative because A is positive and B is negative. Similarly, BC is also negative because B is negative and C is positive. We get this in our option D, which says AB is less than 0, BC is less than 0, but AC is greater than 0. Why? Because this, so the D becomes our answer. Why have we done this? Because B is negative. Because if B is negative, then only negative into negative can be positive. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।